hire people, I do look at those that have a sales background, or maybe they have analytics, because there's a lot of data and being able to analyze that data accordingly, or even marketing, because part of what scale does, I mean, in most companies that I've worked at and have seen, they do some sort of email campaigns because the whole purpose is a one-to-many kind of motion. And so those who have this kind of work experience will actually heed well, as long as they are willing to learn and try it out. So that's typically the kind of backgrounds that I look for. If they happen to have client-facing engagements, that is also very helpful, obviously, because you're going to be doing that in your role. You're going to be talking to people all the time. And so, yeah, that's typically what I look for.